Let's take a look at this question. This question shows two schools and there are 300 students in each school. Before we move on to the questions, let's find out what's the Q1, Q2, and Q3 for each of the school. To find Q1s, I will look at the 75th student because this is 25% of 300. Once again, how I know? I will dot from 75, dot downwards, 50 and 56. Next one, how do I find Q2, which is my median? Okay, the 150th student. Same thing, I'll dot from 150 and then dot to the graph, and then I'll find my revision time. First one is 62, the next one is 70. And for the last one, upper quartile Q3, you have to find the 225th student. Now with this, I can answer the questions. Find the median for each of the school. Basically, it's the same as my Q2. So the answer is 62 minutes and 70 minutes respectively for each. So next we find interquartile range for each of the school, which is basically Q3 minus Q1. So for school A, it's just 68 minus 50, and for school B, 79 minus 56. Answer is 18 minutes and 23 minutes respectively for school A and school B. Now come to the discussion question. Part 3. State with the reason if students from school A or school B spend more time revising daily. Which schools do the students spend more time revising daily? You have to think of what will you be using to compare the schools. After thinking, you may think of using median because median is an average. So since median is a type of average that we've learned, we can use it to compare the schools. By using medians, we realize that school B has a higher median than school A. So I'll get school B as my answer because the median revision time of 70 minutes is higher than that of school A, which is 62 minutes, which means more students are spending more time revising which means more students in school B are spending more time revising as compared to school A. Last question. In which school is the daily revision time more consistent? And let's think of the word consistent. Consistent revision time means that everyone has about the same revision time. So to answer question 4, maybe let me draw the box and whiskers diagram for each of the school. I have drawn the box and whiskers diagram for each of the school, stating the lowest, okay, the highest, and Q1, Q2, Q3 for each of the school. Just by looking at the diagram, which school has more consistent daily revision time? Meaning, all the students having about the same revision time as each other. Would it be school A or school B? I would say that it will be school A because this portion, which is called the interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1, it is actually shorter as compared to that of school B. The answer would be school A because the interquartile range of 18 minutes is shorter as compared to that of school B, which is that most students in school A has about the same revision time as their peers. This will be the explanation for part 4.